Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Majesty. I hope you guys missed me and my tutorials because today I'm going to do this beautiful makeup look right here, which is basically a winter, a Christmas, a New Year and a wedding guest kind of makeup look. Well, you can do this makeup look anytime you want or any occasion that you want. This is preferably for the wedding guests, for the event. When I was a contestant in Lux Superstar this year, we were gifted this really pretty gift basket containing the Hypnotic Rose. I had seen the TVC before, but that was the first time ever I saw the premium perfumed soap collection up front, and it was so pretty, and instantly it caught my eye was basically the bold red color, and I absolutely love it. This entire makeup look was inspired by the Lux Hypnotic Rose. So without any further ado, keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to moisturize my face because it's winter, so I'm going to use the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is basically for dry skin. I have combination skin, which means I have an oily T-zone and the rest of my face is kind of dry, so I plan to apply on my cheek area and right over here, not the T-zone. Now you definitely want to prime your skin. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. It's like a gel. Kind of helps the foundation glide onto your skin. So my lips are drying out. I'm gonna use the Body Shop Born Lippy. It's kind of like a gel. It's flavored, strawberry flavored. I love this so much. So yummy, and it's kind of like edible. You can eat it. And for the foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Golden Beige. Perfect for my skin. And I'm gonna use the Real Technique Beauty Blender sponge to blend it into my skin. The best thing about this foundation is that with the cap, it has a little spatula attached to it, so it's easy for the application. You can simply spread it out onto your face. This is actually a medium coverage. Eventually, when you start applying it, you can apply a first layer, then you can go for a second layer for a heavier coverage. But as you know, if you're looking for a high coverage makeup tutorial, this is not the place for you because I'm a medium coverage girl. Oh my god, foundation on my lashes! It's gone. And before I conceal, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using a cream contour stick. This is the Absolute New York Sculpt Stick in the shade Medium. Just over my forehead, down my cheekbones, a little bit on the jawline because I have a double chin and you don't want any of that. I like my nose being really slender. I leave a very small gap for the highlight. Now that I put contour, I'm going to blend it into my skin. Whatever you do, just don't swipe it. Don't do this. Do this. Alright, I'm ready for highlighting, and I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade Sand Sable, number 20, Sand Sable. Use it on a regular basis. A little bit on the nose. Really thin, sharp line. A little bit on my forehead like this. Now I'm going to blend this baby onto my skin. A lot of people put a triangle shape with the concealer, so what I'm basically doing is I'm dragging the concealer and blending it at the same time and applying it in a triangular shape so that my dark circles covers up easily. Alright, now I blended all the concealer into my skin. Now I'm going to set everything using the Maybelline Newyork Clear Smooth All-in-One. I'm just going to set the concealer, the areas where I blended the concealer in. Then after that I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to take the Banana Dreams loose powder from W7 and going to bake my face. While my face bakes, I'm going to do my eye makeup. I'm going to use the Folklore Pink Warm Coppers and Romantic Mauves palette. At first, I'm gonna go for this shade for the transition. Start blending it. Such a beautiful transition shade. It's barely there, but it's there. Now to darken the shade, I'm going to go and use this color. This is a warmer brown, and define the transition shade even more. And blend this all in evenly. And I'm going to create even more depth into my eyes. I'm going to use a darker shade, and I'm thinking of taking this one. I'm going to apply very light pressure and start blending it out smoothly. Blow it off, blending it out smoothly. See, it's such a pretty color. I barely used any of it. It's already really pigmented. Also going to apply on the outer corner, the outer V of my eye, like so. That's done. And for the lids, I'm going to take a flat sponge brush, like a Q-tip brush like this. I think I'll go for the shade. I prefer you guys use a brush that is kind of like this, almost kind of like a Q-tip, a little sponge brush. So the application is actually smoother and the product comes out even more pigmented, and the real color of the shadow pops out. And you can simply create a cut crease with this without even having to cut your crease with a concealer, then applying the shadow on top of it. I'm going to take this color again and blend the shimmer with it so it diffuses it beautifully. Now it's time for brushing away all of the translucent powder of my face. I'm basically gonna blend it into my skin like so. Swipe it, then tap 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 tap. Swipe, then tap 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 tap. Keep on swiping, but with a light hand, a very light hand. I'm going to line my eyes using the pink Panther liner. This is so cute. I love this so much. It's the cutest thing ever. Oops. It's kind of dirty. And on this side, you have a cute little stamp. You have a cute little paw. Look, there's a cute little paw stamp. I love this liner so much. So cute. And I got this from Miniso. I love Miniso products so much. Oh god, this is tough. Okay, now I am going to line my waterline using the Rimmel Scandalize. This is a nude pencil liner. I'm going to take this shade and smoke it in my lower lash line. Smoke it out like this, using a very light hand, not using any pressure at all. Now I'm going to apply the Pastel Pro Fashion Dimensional Volume and Curl Mascara. Now I just have to use mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't use it on the top anymore. I'm going to highlight my eyes using the shade Inner Corners and on the brow bone. I'm almost done. I'm just gonna apply my blush. For the blush, I'm going to go for this palette from the Revolution Makeup. This is the blush Sugar and Spice, and I'm going to use this one. This is my most favorite. This is the most warmest peachy pinky color. It's not that really pigmented. It's very warm. And from the same blush palette, I'm going to take this highlighting shade. This is actually a baked shadow. I would like to use it onto my cheekbones and onto the highest points of my face to highlight. Over the brow bone. I'm going to highlight my nose, a little bit on the tip, and down the bridge. on the Cupid's bow. So I hope you guys like this entire tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment what kind of tutorial or video, or if you want me to do any dance covers, anything that you want, or if you have any questions, do comment it down, and absolutely do share it to your friends. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, Makeup Majesty, and I'll be back with another one. I love you guys. Bye bye.